In this video, I will show how to insert images in Microsoft Excel cell like this. So firstly guys, you need adjust cell size, row height and column width, and insert shape rectangle. Press and hold Alt and draw a rectangle. In the shape field, select picture like this. You can adjust now size and height. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.